Today I'm giving you a quick overview of Python. So, what is Python? Python is a simple, powerful, and beginner friendly programming language. It's used all around the world because it is easy to read, write, and understand. That's why Python is often called the best first language for beginners. Now, why should we learn Python? Well, Python is not just easy to learn, but also super flexible. With Python, you can build websites, create games, analyze data, design artificial intelligence and machine learning models, automate boring tasks, and even build mobile and desktop apps. Basically, Python opens the door to endless opportunities in technology. What can we actually do with Python? From small scripts to large scale projects, Python is used everywhere. Companies like Google, Instagram, Netflix, and Spotify use Python to power their platforms. Whether you want to be a software developer, data scientist, AI engineer, or even a hobby coder, Python is the language you can rely on. So, this was just an overview of Python. If you want to learn Python step by step from beginner to master, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because I'll be starting a full playlist just for you. Thanks for watching, and let's learn Python together.